Our friends at Rode just sent us a box from down under. Unfortunately, it wasn't a kangaroo or wombat. I'll keep sending those emails. But they did send us the brand new wireless micros. So we're gonna unbox them today and we're gonna put them on and try them out at our Mount Adams photo walk. So let's give them a try. Your wireless micros, beautiful little box. Let's break them open. Inside your wireless micro box, right off the bat, you're gonna see that beautiful and simplistic case. That case is awesome. It slides right into your pocket. That's pretty fantastic. I like that a lot. Ooh, little plastic ASMR maybe. Yes, sir. We don't have any power. We're gonna get these things juiced up and get them rolling. All right, so today we are in Mount Adams for the PROCAM photo walk. I'm shooting a Fuji, but why we're really here, why you're really here, is this new Rode wireless micro camera kit. Shout out to Rode for sending it to us early. We really appreciate it. We're gonna give it a run outside on the street to really try it out, test it out, and let you know how it goes. So here you go. Here's some fresh audio, straight from me. Chase, don't move. Don't you dare think about it. When you're done with your photo, look at me. Yeah, I guess I gotta talk more if we're gonna do an audio test on a microphone. How's this sound with this car driving right past? Pretty good. We got sound effects behind the camera now too. The mic still holds up. That's why we choose Rode every time. Y'all hear the wedding bells? Congratulations to whoever that is. Rode audio. It's magnificent. The bells are all the way up there. Crystal clear audio, Rode microphones. Probably hear that traffic down there, but you probably hear my voice crystal clear. That's because the brand new Rode wireless micros. No big deal. In their photos. This is the Rode wireless micro. I'm super excited about this microphone, and I think this audio should sound really good because there's a wedding parade going on right now, and you're hearing crystal clear audio right off of this brand new mic. Shout out to Rode for sending it to us early. We love it. We're gonna use it for all of our marketing videos now. This has been the wireless micro. Go get yours now. Come get yours at PROCAM Cincinnati. Call me at PROCAM Cincinnati.